Now is the time for smarter manufacturing. INFICON provides the most comprehensive and advanced intelligent manufacturing systems for the electronics manufacturing industry. Our FPS product line is proven to increase capital productivity and overall factory efficiency by presenting critical information, automating complex decision-making, and delivering industry-leading execution capability, all in real time. INFICON provides integrated factory operations solutions for optimized factory performance. Our systems are built on a comprehensive digital twin that connects all of the critical factory systems and makes smart manufacturing possible. The FPS Factory Scheduler uses advanced algorithms leveraging real-time information to make a schedule based on current conditions and priorities. The schedule updates continuously, providing relevant results amidst the dynamic conditions of the fab. Next Move optimizes whip movement to enable compliance to the factory scheduler. Next Move VTS integrates a camera monitoring system with the factory scheduler and Next Move for real-time lot location. Our metrology sampling optimizer uses real-time data and factory conditions to determine which lots to measure for optimal tool and product coverage. Our applications make smart manufacturing of the future possible today. Visit ims.inficon.com to learn more or contact us at reachus@inficon.com.